the infinite, U.S. Neville Goddard, a 20th-century author and philosopher, preached that creation is ended. Everything is already present, here and now. Every possible past, present, and future are all contained within an endless number of realities. In one of the infinite realities that exist right now, every potential result, situation, and sequence of events already exists. This also includes every variation of every individual you might encounter. You experience the reality that you conceive or concentrate most of your attention on out of all these limitless possibilities that are possible. You alternate between realities all the time, picking and choosing as you go. And the reality you enter and experience, or the state that you reside in, is determined by your ideas and presumptions. So far so good? Since the reality you experience is founded on your beliefs and presumptions, you will encounter the version of the subject that corresponds to those assumptions if every potential version of the subject already existing in one of these infinite realities. Therefore, follow the law and the prophets by doing to others whatever you would have others do to you, as stated in Matthew, chapter 7, verse 12. This is another reason why you should always think and act toward others with loving kindness. You cannot force someone to change. The only thing you can do is modify your own perception of them. It originates internally, not externally. To make assumptions out of spite or disdain will only lead to that experience for yourself. The Golden Rule actually meant exactly this. Think about how you would like to be treated, and that is what you will encounter.